Are we good?
Yeah.
Steve, is your pizza good?
Pushing ahead, Beehive Battle. Let's hear it, folks. You are going to see the best skateboarding in Utah happen tonight on features that were built specifically for this event. We're pushing ahead. We're putting on this event thanks to our good friends Grip 6. So shout out, let's give a special shout out for Grip 6. Give back a round of applause. Directive? Who thinks Directive's gonna take it? Okay. What about Crossroads? Let's hear it for Crossroads. Okay, we got some good representation for Crossroads. What about my local and super amazing shop? The koozie or the air freshener? Air freshener. Will you take that to the guy right there? Yeah, right there. Oh, that was close. And you get this for doing that. Yeah, I love to give people that give back. 229841. This guy, he has a pushing ahead sticker on his shirt. Also, Ian from Crossroads did that logo. So amazing. I don't think he made it. 229671. More raffle tickets. I'm now going to turn the time over to Ethan from Time Machine. He has an announcement, and then we'll do 2 more raffles. What's up, Utah?
Thanks for showing up, everybody. This is a super fun event. Thanks pushing ahead. Thanks Grip 6. We're super excited to have a shop battle. You may have seen on our Instagram, Time Machine's Instagram, that we are going to pick someone out of the crowd to be on our team and skate in this event. Get riled up! Chris and Anthony on the team! We're going to invite Caleb Hadlock from BC to be on Time Machine's team. Let's go!
Sounds good. Did you catch it?
Hey, if you have a ball, come down to center stage.
Catch it!
Also, if you haven't noticed, yeah, perfect. All right, what do you think, Cal? What do you think about dodgeballs getting thrown at you while you skateboard?
I'm scared to get hit by a ball.
Scared to get hit by a ball.
Oh. Oh, she got him. Look, the thing. Oh.
Wait a second. Was that a kickflip back tail to dodgeball? Oh, hello. As you can see, this is a free-for-all, folks. This is a straight free. Oh, I better be careful of dodgeballs. Oh boy. Oh. I'm gonna stop going through